One day, two colleagues, Henry and Peter, were having their lunch. Just then, Henry started having hiccups. When Peter asked him the reason, he replied that it was due to his wife's love. When his wife missed him a lot, he had loud hiccups. Peter thought how lucky Henry was to have such a loving wife. He hurried back to his house and started scolding his wife for not missing him. Then he narrated to her the whole matter. His wife understood where the problem was. Next day, she mixed a lot of chili powder in the lunch. When Peter sat down to eat, he had hiccups. He thought, "Oh dear, don't miss me so much." Henry laughed, seeing Peter's condition.